Yeah, see five pictures them there. So them creamy and pretty. Yeah man. Everything in it, saltfish, everything. Tomato, pepper, caramel, flour, scallion, onion. Delicious, nice, eatable, may I tell you. Yeah man, I love about that little kitchen, you know. So every time I rise, I believe in I falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything we do. So my peeps, please to subscribe, like and share and comment, right? Yeah. Alright. Welcome to Lumber Kitchen again. Recipe for today, we're going to have some fried fritters, saltfish and tomato, onion, scallion, garlic, and caramel in the fried fritters. So watch the recipe to the end so you will see and you can learn how lumberjack cook. So please to subscribe, like and share and comment. You can try this recipe. You can see caramel here. Alright. Pepper. Onion. Scallion. Tomato. Saltfish. Cut it up fine, see on there. Take out the bone out of the saltfish. See it? See the recipe? So we're going to throw the water now and stir it up. But add piece more saltfish in it because I know enough flour. So we don't need any salt. Remember the saltfish salt already, so we don't need any salt. So I'm going to turn it up now like this. Alright, turn it up first before we add the water to it. Get everything together. Remember the recipe, man. Saltfish, flitters with all different things like tomato, pepper, scallion, onion, garlic, caramel. We mix the flavor, so we're going to add the water now. Add the water like this. Alright, now we turn it like this. Don't thick, add a little more water to it. Add a little more. Alright. So it's creamy and stay and pretty. Alright. Put it here stuff. Going to light the stove now. Alright, we're going to add some cooking oil to the pot now. Alright, that one hot. So when it's hot now, you'll put the fritters inside the oil. But it go on hot. So when I say it's hot now. But it can't too hot, or it's not gonna burn up. Alright, so we're going to drop it in it. I like this. Just stay tuned and just try this recipe, man. Nice, man, I tell you. Just have a cream look in the pot. Nice flavor and fry. I will say it nice and delicious and thing. So please to like and subscribe and share. Long about the kitchen. 7 times rise and believe in I fall into it. See it? Put out those crispy and nice, delicious, creamy. Yeah, see if I put out so them creamy and pretty. Yeah, man. Look what I'm going to see. Delicious. Mmm.